Alright, next we're showing the mid-sagittal view of the brain. Here's the mid-sagittal view. This section right here is this whole section right here is going to be the thalamus. In the middle of the thalamus is the massa intermedia. Below the thalamus is the hypothalamus, hypo meaning below the thalamus. The fornix pillars are going to be this section up here, and there's a lot going on in this section, but we start off with the corpus callosum splenium coming down right here into the corpus callosum body, takes you all the way down to here into the corpus callosum rostrum, and then down this little turn right here takes you into the corpus callosum genu. This middle section right here under it, you can see it's a little bit darker in color, is going to be the caudate nucleus head. Above the corpus callosum rostrum, where we just were, is the cingulate gyrus. This section right here, the bulbous section, is going to be the corpus callosum gyrus. Above that is going to be the cingulate sulcus. Yeah. So the anterior commissure is just going to be, it's very hard to see in this view, sometimes you don't get it, but it's going to be a section right here to the anterior to the thalamus. The optic chiasm is the piece we were talking about earlier. Here's half of it right here. It's the X that goes across the middle, the optic chiasm. Takes you down into the mammillary bodies. And then the pons is going to be right here. So this section right here is going to be the aqueduct of Sylvius, right below the pineal body, which is right here. And the habenula cannot see in this section, but it's a small piece that's usually going to be right about here. The third ventricle is going to be right above here, which takes you right down. You can follow the ventricle all the way down into the fourth ventricle. I'm going to turn it this way so we can see this, the two colliculi. We have the superior colliculi, which is going to be this ball right here. And you can see there's a little dividing line right here that goes across it. Below the superior colliculus is the inferior colliculus. And that should pretty much sum up the mid-sagittal view of the brain.